The second coverage that's commonly requested is workers' compensation insurance. Now, depending on the size of your business, this is probably the hardest one to get in the state of Florida. And the reason why is because almost no insurance companies want to provide the coverage for small businesses that are doing repairs on the water. The second coverage that's commonly requested is workers' compensation. Workers' compensation is for the bodily injury that occurs to your employees while they're on the job. Now, not every marina asks for this. I'd probably say in my experience about 30% of the marinas ask for that coverage when you're going onto their premises. But they can ask for it whenever they'd like. The state of Florida says that if you have more than 3 employees, you're required by law to carry workers' compensation. The state of Florida also says that even if you're not legally required to carry the coverage, you're still subject to the workers' compensation statutes, which means you're still responsible if an employee gets hurt and everything that comes with that for being an employer. That's the reason why that marinas often ask for the coverage. Now, in reality, it is very difficult for the smaller sole proprietor or 1 or 2 man business to be able to get the workers' compensation coverage because there just aren't many carriers who want to provide coverage to people doing work on the water. If all of your work is on dry land, say maybe you're a detailer who only works on dry land, or the repair is happening at a shop, workers' comp is a lot easier to do. And when you're making that delivery, we would be able to provide that certificate of insurance if the marina requested.